Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another product. This is from SecureDrive.com. We've been reviewing a number of the different products on the Chris Voss Show, so be sure to search and check those out. This is their SecureDrive BT. It's a hardware encrypted external portable drive. Pretty slim on the smaller different versions of it, the thinner drives if you will. It's 12.5 millimeter slim. If you go up to the 5 TB HDDs, it's about 20.5 millimeter. Very light, easy to put in your backpack, put in your pocket, put in your laptop case, whatever you want to carry it with. You can take and easily do it with this, and everything is all built into the package. All you need your cable and the unit, and away you go. This thing is super secure. It's got the FIPS 140-2 level 3 validated security on it. It's got it's won awards with the Red Dot 2019 award winner and the CES 2019 honoree. It's remote management ready if you want to set it up that way. It's hardware encrypted with AES 256-bit XTS. OS independent, works across any OS and all devices. It's got a secure wireless user authentication via a mobile app you can download on your phone, the Data Lock app on iOS or Android. And you can use that to unlock the device and, of course, do different functions in the admin that you would want to take and do. At the end of the video, you can see screenshots of that. It's got convenient unlocking options with Touch ID, Face ID on iOS. I use my fingerprint for my Android, which is pretty convenient. And it's got useful locking, a step-away option. It's got unique password recovery and remote wipe option as well. Admin user mode, read-only mode, auto lock. So a lot of control here you can take and do with these. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty and a lot of different capacities. You can have in both HDD and SSD, 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB for the SSD, 8 TB for SSD, and 250 gigabytes and 500 gigabytes for SSD. If you want to go with a 5 TB, you can get that in an HDD format for hard drives. So pretty much lots of different things you can take and do there. Very lightweight, approximately 9 ounces up to 12 ounces, depending upon the size of the drive you take and get, and assembled in the US. So how about that? It's also waterproof for the SSD, tolerates humidity. So fun is fun there. Anyway, be sure to check it out. You can go to their website at SecureDrive.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. Be sure to check them out. We'll see you next time.